call him in.
The one and only Fibo Lim!
Yay! So thank you, Jev and Joanna, for inviting me.
So ready ka na bang malaman ang slam book life ni Fibo?
Of course.
People think that retirement is like, okay, I'm retired, I'm gonna do nothing. But retirement is just basically doing the things you love that you don't feel like working. My pastime was really taking on leadership roles. Like,
Pastime yun?
that was pastime.
That is why he's so successful.
Yes.
I love teaching, I love transforming, I love people like, oh, you changed my life. Like, the fact na I shared is so fulfilling. Find one thing that you love and you're really good at and do it for a long time. It's impossible for you na the world will not pay you.
Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success?
Welcome to
Slam Book Millionaire!
Welcome to
Slam Book Millionaire
with Joanna
and Jev,
Season 2, Episode 7!
Nagtama ba?
7 na tayo.
Grabe, time flies, Jev. Sobrang bilis ng panahon.
Yes, and nasa Season 2 na tayo.
At
Akalain mo.
nakakapito na tayong
Nakakapito
episode.
na tayo.
Imagine mo, kakamarites natin sa mga hinahangaan natin, mga
Ano
personalities.
naman to? Tawag ito, inspiring Maritesa naman yun.
Good Samaritans.
Mga good Samaritans naman tayo.
Yes.
And I know you are excited.
I'm so excited.
Excited sa next guest natin.
I am.
Yes.
Sobrang excited ako kasi this guest of ours, we have known him for quite some time. Kasi
Yes.
he's one of those many people actually na ang dami ng program sa inatinan kay Loros Enterprises.
Yes.
Ang kaibahan lang ng taong to, among the others na nakilala na natin, is that he was already successful. He was already a multimillionaire by the time that he became part of the Loros family.
2018, right? 2018.
Yes,
Yes.
Gary Vaynerchuk yata. If I'm not
MMI.
MMI, tapos Gary
Yes.
Vaynerchuk, Matthew. And then dire-diretso na. Ang dami na
Yes.
niya mga programs sa inatinan natin. But he was already doing great.
Good, oo.
And he was making a lot of money already. And yet, it didn't stop him from yung growing, alam mo yan, yung
Yes.
student of life na attitude niya. So many people follow him kasi talagang he gives no BS.
Yeah.
Na mga, especially sa digital marketing, talagang he's dominating the digital marketing. He's one of those persons right now na when you think of digital marketing, ando dun siya, nasa top siya, if not the one on top.
Yes.
Yan.
And what I like about this person, kung gaano siya ka-laser focus, when he wants something, walang distraction.
Oo,
Ang
kahit
makaka-
mag-no siya sa atin.
Kasi pag meron siyang goal, dapat ma-achieve na yun.
Yes, and that
And
is
you know,
admirable.
And yeah, when I saw him before, talagang tahimik siya.
Yes.
But when he's on stage, my God, like
Oh my
monster, ang galing.
Monster, nag-iibang personality talaga.
Yeah, monster in a good way.
Yes,
Monster in a good
talagang
way.
dominating the
Yes.
stage if he needs without putting too much effort.
Correct.
Yeah. Pero kasi, alam mo yung effort niya, nanggagaling kasi yun dun sa part na inaral kasi niya.
Yes.
Like, kunwari, right, one of the things that he recently studied, na nalaman ko, is that nag-enroll siya sa isang comedian, stand-up comedian, because he wanted to learn the art of jokes.
Yes.
Para alam niya kung paano yung tamang lapat at tamang
Ang
pasok
delivery.
ng mga jokes.
Ganun siya ka-dedicated sa
Yes.
craft niya.
Oo.
Lahat gagawin niya on how to improve himself
Yes.
and also how he delivers and also impact the audience.
That's why, right now, sobra talagang he's nailing it.
Correct.
He's rocking it.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
And he's ready for the global stage.
Ready na sa global stage kasi talaga napatunayan niya dito sa Pilipinas na, hey, this is me.
Yes.
Yan, natatak na siya sa utak ng maraming mga Pilipino, especially entrepreneurs who really want to navigate the digital marketing world.
Yes. And now, wag na natin patagalin. I'm so
At
excited.
saka gwapo. Itong inaanak ko po siya, by the way. Inaanak ko siya sa kasal. So, lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya pag nagkikita kami, Nak, ba't napakagwapo mo?
Effortless
Ewan ko
na
ba?
effortless.
Oo, tinanungan natin, kailangan mo bang mag-present? Hindi na po. Wow, ikaw na. So, without further ado, I know, sobrang excited na po kayo, our dear listeners and viewers. So, let's call him in.
Of course.
The one and only.
The one and only Fibo Lim!
Hey. So thank you, Jev and Joanna, for inviting me. And I'm excited here to share my story and inspire our viewers.
Yes, thank you so much. Because yung sabi nga ni Jeff kanina, di ba? You're very dedicated and committed. Laser focus ka. And yet here you are at the Slambook Millionaire na wala naman masyado mako-contribute sa expertise mo as a digital marketing coach.
Friendship na lang yung pinanghahawakan natin.
And yet you said yes to us. Kaya we're so grateful to you, Nak. By the way, guys, katulad niyo sabi ko, inaanak ko siya. Kaya from time to time, I'm gonna be calling him that. Okay, wag po kayong mawiweirdohan. So ready ka na bang malaman ang Slambook life ni Fibo?
Of course. Ito yung hindi pa alam ng maraming tao.
At hindi rin niya alam,
Ang
girl.
tanong, excited na ba siya? Ready ka na ba?
Ready na.
Ready na.
Guys, hindi niya rin alam kasi sabi nga, tinatanong namin siya, alam mo ba yung Slambook? Sabi niya, na-skip ko yata yun.
Kasi usually girls yun eh. Usually mga girls.
Kasi tayo, ganito yan, Fibo.
Yeah.
Strategy kasi ang Slambook Millionaire. For us,
Ang Slambook.
Sorry, yung Slambook kasi, strategy siya para malaman mo kung crush ka rin ba ng crush mo.
Oh, okay.
Yan siya. Parang ano siya, truth revealer siya noong mga
Oo.
panahon namin.
Yeah. Souvenir siya at the end of the year or class year. Pinapasulat yun para just in case mag-aral ka sa ibang school, meron kang
Yes.
remembrance.
Yes.
Okay,
So you're telling me usually girls do this, tama?
Girls and
usually,
boys din
yes.
naman.
Oo,
But I
usually
feel
girls.
like the reason why, kasi all boys kami.
Yeah.
Elementary and high school,
Now
all
we know.
girls ka.
Elementary. High school, doon pero sa high school,
Co-ed
walang
na. Oo, pero
walang
sa high
girls.
school kasi siya mas patok kasi
Hindi ko alam
doon
eh.
talaga yung, alam mo yun, everybody's
Elementary.
crushing. Ako yung high school.
Elementary.
Okay. High school. So anyway, so as we said, truth revealer siya.
Ready
So
ka na
gusto
ba?
na nating ma-reveal ang truth from the one and only Fibo Lim. So first question kagad.
Okay.
Simplihan na kagad natin. 'Di ba? Who is your love? First love. In terms of your personal growth journey, ha?
Yes.
Wag na nating iskalkalin yung love life before. Pero nung nagsimula ka, Fibo, kasi you started very young.
Yeah.
'Di ba? MLM talaga yung, kumbaga, yun yung roots mo.
Yeah.
You become the leader that you are. You learned how to market and to sell because of MLM.
Yeah.
So, alam naman natin sa MLM talaga maraming mga mentors.
Yes, and
Doon
the trainings
yes,
that you will
maraming
get.
trainings.
Maganda.
So, when you were starting, is there a particular person na you fell in love with because of the concepts or tinuturo nito na talagang nakatulong naman na to becoming the
growth.
person that you
Yeah.
are?
Okay. I would say, so hard because there are a few people.
Mhm.
But I would say the major person who really parang influenced me.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm like this is Peng.
Penjun.
So yeah, it's Peng Jun because
Mm-mm.
probably Asian, tapos nangyari is when I was in MLM, I started doing talks sa team ko, and it really felt good. And then that was my journey where I was attending seminars. I was attending Chinky's seminar, Bo seminar, all of seminars. And sabi ko at that time I wasn't I was broke, and I was still in school. So every single penny that I was investing in a seminar was like my allowance saved. And sabi ko that's the and I remember na Bo said na he doesn't believe in retirement. Okay? So sabi niya, parang people think that retirement is like, okay, I'm retired, I'm gonna do nothing. But retirement is just basically doing the things you love that you don't feel like working. So it opened the mind sa akin na sinabi ko, okay. So all I have to do is, in short, I could retire as early as 20s.
Yes.
Because all I have to do is just, I don't feel like working.
Yes.
So that means, retired na ako. Masaya na ako. Para akong walang ginagawa kasi gagawin ko man pa rin yan kahit di ako bayad. Parang ganun.
Yes.
And at that time, sabi ko, if I'm gonna retire, what's like my retirement job? And I told myself I want to become a trainer, a speaker. Like that's my dream retirement job. So
Yes.
so ever since, even if I was still broke, parang naging goal ko na talaga was, okay, I'm gonna become a trainer, a speaker. I don't know when,
Mhm.
but that's my retirement job.
Yes.
So, up until in my process, making money online and all of those, I saw Peng. He's Asian and he's doing talks around the globe. And sabi ko, wow, that's what I want to do.
Pero
Like-
you met Peng Joon nung time na
NAC?
dinala na namin siya
No,
dito
no,
sa Philippines
even
or
before,
even before
he was
pa?
in social media,
Yes.
parang ganon. So,
Oo.
I think, yeah, he had a very strong social media presence in the
Mm-mm.
Philippines.
Mm-mm.
So, when I saw that, sabi ko, okay, I wanna do what he does.
Mm-mm.
I think Bo is also one of my personal development crush,
Mhm.
but it's just that Peng is just doing it worldwide.
Yes,
So parang,
yes.
if you notice, Peng is like more of a parang it's more of a job, not like a business, because he flies.
Yes.
So sabi ko, I want that to be my job. Like, I don't want, parang mo explain. Yeah, I want it to be a job. Na I want to be so busy that I want to do talks every day. Parang ganun. So
Talagang pinangarap mo na maging speaker.
pinangarap na siya ever
Oo.
since
Oo.
my first million.
Yeah.
So,
What's with training and seminars that you love it so much?
I think what I first remember was yung first invitation ko ng MLM. Na-invite ako sa MLM, first training. Nag-discuss yung mentor doon, how to get leverage and so on. Parang na-amaze ako, like, wow, like, this is... I would also say na I'm a business owner by calling as well. Entrepreneur by calling.
Yeah, kasi bata pa lang, entrepreneurial ka
Yes,
na talaga
and
eh.
it wasn't because of money. It wasn't because of external factors. It was because, I don't know, I just enjoyed selling stuff. And then I just gave the money to my mom. Parang it doesn't make sense. Because I have nothing to buy.
Yes.
Nag-effort ako, nagbenta ako, even how shy I am. But I just enjoyed, if somebody buys, it's like a dopamine that hits me. Like, wow, that's amazing.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I was really interested na talaga in business. My parents were not business owners. I don't know. I just don't know. And yun yung first involvement ko na, wow, like somebody knows
Believes in you.
business,
Yes.
teaches me, and then that was, wow, like, parang siguro masarap yung feeling na somebody imparted the knowledge sa'yo. Then sabi ko, gusto ko, ako naman yung magbigay sa kanya,
Yeah.
bigay sa
parang
ibang
pay it
tao.
forward na rin ba siya para sa'yo? Do you think it's like a pay it forward?
Yes, but I would say it's more of a calling as well. Mas sabi kong calling kasi I can't explain eh. Parang before di ko maintindihan bakit meron nagpapare. Parang alam mo yun,
Yes.
why are you willing to give up like sex and kids and girls, and live in a
Tiny home.
in a tiny home, aka like a jail,
Yes.
Parang how stupid is that? In my mind before.
Yes.
Up until I knew na I really love doing trainings.
Yes.
And even if somebody will tell me nakakapagod yan, all
Which
of
is
that.
true, diba?
Which is true physically,
Yes.
but inside, like, oh man, like I'm on fire. It's
Yes.
something di ko ma-explain.
It
And that
must
was-
be your purpose para magawa mo yun.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi nag-fade kahit pagod ka, you
Yeah.
want to do it.
Yeah. I feel like it's a core gift.
Yes.
So every time I do it, things flow faster. It's
Yes.
easier. I love it. Parang
So
ganun.
maybe it's really your sole purpose na rin talaga.
Yeah,
Oo.
I would say.
If it's something that, sabi nga nila, if you're doing something that you cannot explain why you do it, but it gives you so much joy, then I think it's related na to your passion, more than the passion.
Yes.
It's really the purpose in you na ano na siya, nagbuhay na siya.
Yeah.
Diba?
I really like the way, how Fibo thinks. So I'm curious nung bata ka. What is your fondest memory?
Fondest memory.
Malaro ka naman, no?
Marunong, saglit,
are you that
marunong ka mga
serious talaga since
ano may mga larong
since a kid?
bata, tumbang preso,
Oo.
mga nagaganon ka ba?
Yes, I play. Pero I would say na, how can I describe my childhood till now? I would say na I grew up with like no friends na parang by choice. Like, wala akong barkada na I think it's because, and I was like reflecting, bakit kaya? And it's a choice. Like, I don't want na may barkada ako.
Yes.
I think it's because of the influence of my parents. Because my parents doesn't have barkada. Parang, my mom's friend is my dad. My dad's friend is my mom.
Oh, so
And-
ganun ka close-knit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's why kami ni Giselle, the
Ganun
only friend
din.
we have is
Each
ourselves.
other.
Each other lang.
So, pero of course, different na ngayon because you have many friends na right
Yes.
now.
Yeah. Pag sinabi ko walang friends, what I mean is, friend in the context of, alam mo, barkada friends.
Oo.
Friends na friends, okay. Pero pag, alam mo yung high school,
You don't
elementary
party,
na,
walang party.
walang party.
ganun.
Alam mo yung parang, yung friends kasi typically, uy, punta tayo, parang invite.
Oo,
yes.
barkada level
Barkada
lang.
level,
Oo.
like,
yun yung wala
no,
ka.
I don't know. I don't
Pero
want.
friends,
Friends,
you have.
okay, no problem.
Oo.
Okay? Pero typically sa school, di ba, barkada,
Yes.
i-invite ka, parang, and sometimes kasi sa barkada, if i-invite ka, magno-no ka,
Oo.
it's like an insult to the barkada.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
So-
Parang, uy, hindi na barkada yan.
Oo,
Oo.
diba?
Paano
Talo-talo.
Sabi nila, ang pinakamasayang moment pa daw, ano ba, high school?
High school, ako.
Ikaw, meron ka bang like, high school yung pinakamasayang moment mo?
Kasi yun yung time na nag-explore ka. And then you
Oo.
get to be on a different
Napaisip.
faction.
Napaisip mo. Yun ba yung
Meron bang-
pinakamasayang time mo? High school time?
I think I'm somewhat abnormal. How can I can't.
It's okay. Ako, may question na lang ako. Balikan
I would just
natin
say
yan.
na I just went through high school and school because of compliance, not because
Are you ano ba? Do you consider yourself as a street smart or school smart ka?
how do you define both?
Street smart kasi, not necessarily na bobo ka sa school. It so happen lang that you know how to navigate life na parang pag sabi nila, street smart is somebody, kapag iniwan kita dyan sa kalsada,
Mabubuhay
kaya mong
ka.
mabuhay kasi madiskarte ka. Na hindi siya, kumbaga parang hindi ka magde-depend aban sa trabaho, yung ganyan. Alam mo how to navigate life. Yun. So, somebody naman na school smart, yun nga, parang masyadong nagiging dependent sa profession, sa
Yes.
pinag-aralan, na parang once outside of whatever it is that they learn, medyo nararattle na. Yun.
Okay. I feel like I'm street smart, but that only developed after school na. But during school, I was focused on
Talagang
studies,
school.
things like that, because I didn't have an option. Like, I don't know
What do you
to
mean you don't have an option?
I mean, I
Strict
don't
ang
know.
parents mo.
Parang, like, like the entire time, you just go to school, you go home, then you go to school, then you go
Parang
home.
anong
Like, wala
pastime mo? Anong pastime mo when you were young?
I can't remember.
Ito na lang, I have a question.
But to add with that, so I can't remember probably elementary, high school, pero college, my pastime was really taking on leadership roles, like running
Pastime
for-
yun?
That was pastime. And that was time na I have so fun. Like,
Serious
running
life
for
pala
SK.
yun.
That is why he's so successful.
Yes, very
Ganun siya ka
focused.
focus.
Oo. Pero have you ever experienced ba nung bata ka na parang nawi-weirdohan yung mga tao sa paligid mo?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah, even when I was young. Like
Oo.
like my I had a tutor that time, sinabi sa mom ko na, and then my mom told me, alam mo, sabi ng tutor, parang si Fibo has like dual personality, like, something like that.
Oo.
So yeah,
How did it, how did you handle it? Or how did it affect you? O wala lang?
let me remember. I think wala lang, parang I'm a person who doesn't care.
Really?
Stoic.
Stoic
Yeah.
lang.
Nonchalant, stoic.
So it has like an advantage in a way na, if something bad happens,
Yes.
I easily let it go and I forget.
Okay.
Yes.
But at the same time, the disadvantage is like there's no when I meet someone new and doesn't know who I am, parang it seems like I'm not emotionally connected with this person. So that's the disadvantage as well.
Yes.
So
Nahihirapan ka ba to connect emotionally with another person?
I would say yes, and it's out of comfort zone. So it's it's out of comfort zone. I think it's really because when I was processing myself, it's really because how I was lumaki ako, yun nga, walang barkada yung papa,
Yes.
mama ko, parang mindset, parang di ko alam but it's some sort of a mindset na, okay,
What about yung mga reunions?
no, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna tell you, even sa relatives, we're like, I'm closer with my friends than my relatives. Like,
Okay.
my relatives were relatives. So, ibig sabihin, we're kind of like, we just, paano ba?
Yeah,
On
they're
paper.
there.
Yeah.
They're there.
But
as
it
a
doesn't
relative.
anak ko siya,
Oo,
gano'n.
kamag-anak ko
Kumbaga,
siya.
friends kami.
Yes,
Pero,
yes.
we're not that close. Compared to Giselle's family, my wife's family, very opposite. Like, they're so
Yes.
close.
I saw it
Family-oriented.
sa wedding.
Family-oriented.
Oo.
They're so close.
So, okay, this explains now. Kasi during the wedding, the one person na talagang ang daming kwento about Fibo was si tita. So now,
Mommy.
yeah, si mommy niya. Like, halimbawa talagang nagkaroon kami ng walk down memory lane because of tita. Talagang, di ba, no?
Yeah.
Parang nag-start pa lang siya sa 1 year old.
Best friend mo si mom.
Sobra,
mommy mo.
sobra. Oo. So, what's your fondest memory with your parents? Not just with tita, kasi we know naman how close you are with tita. Parang since nga kayo yung considered na magkakaibigan, kayo yung naging magkakabarkada growing up.
Oo.
What do you do as a family na para sa'yo, very fun memory mo?
Do you travel?
question.
Do you
We do travel. We do the typical family thing. We eat on Sundays and go so on. But I feel like it some sort became a routine na it's there's no. If you're gonna ask me, is it a happy family? Of course it is. But as of now, I can't really specifically remember.
Yes.
Specific things. Or you could suggest, but I could I could I could remember.
Scrabble. Di ba ganun?
Yes.
Scrabble,
Let
mga
me
mind
see.
games, do you watch movies?
Or you watch movie together.
Or you cook together.
Ganyan.
Yeah, siguro the memories I can just remember is, my dad is so, ang sitihik sa kuripot.
Kuripot.
Oh. Na, parang, oh yeah, okay. So, what I could share is probably my upbringing na created a conflict with my wife. So, for example, food for me is just food. So, therefore, a 1,000 peso food and 100 peso food is just the same thing. You're just gonna eat and poo. So, why don't you eat just 100 pesos? So,
Okay.
I look at it as sayang. Kasi pag bibili ka ng 1,000, you could have bought 100.
Mabubusog ka rin lang naman.
Mabubusog ka lang
Oo.
naman. You're just gonna eat and poo. So, why don't you
Same
eat
na.
the 100?
Kumbaga parang, same naman yung purpose. So, ba't
Yeah.
pa ako gagastos ng mas mahal?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but Giselle's mindset is, hey, basta pagkain, wala akong budget. Okay, dun yung upbringing.
Love language niya is food.
Somewhat, yeah.
Oo.
And we create a conflict. Kasi,
Okay.
sasayangan ako, ha? Parang, ganito kasi, kakain lang kami ng masarap kung may occasion.
Okay.
So usually when I had money na, and then let's eat
Yes.
outside.
Oo.
Fine dining.
The first question, kahit the normal restaurant.
Okay.
Let's just eat outside.
Okay.
The first question my parents have is, anong meron ngayon? What are we celebrating?
Oo. So, yun yung
So that
na-instill
was-
sa'yo.
yeah, that was-
Na pagkakain tayo sa labas, kailangan
Basta
may
may occasion.
sineselebrate.
May celebration. So,
So, ngayon-
what usually happens is, kung bago pa kami ni Giselle, pagkakain sa labas, like, why? There's no celebration. Like,
Paano mo siya niligawan?
oh man, it's a hard story.
Ay, naku, mahabang story. Hindi, alam mo yung parang na-imagine ko si Fibo na parang, saglit, did I miss out? Birthday mo ba ngayon? Anniversary ba natin ngayon? Ano bang nami-miss out ko? Parang ganon, at
Pero,
the start.
okay,
Yeah.
nung bata ka, meron ka namang favorite food?
Yes.
Ano favorite
Yes.
food mo?
How did you find a food? Kahit ano, no?
Hindi, yung context, saglit. What is your favorite food nung bata ka na kapag nakakain mo siya ngayon, talagang
It will
brings
bring
you
you-
back to that moment na bata ka ulit.
Okay.
Alam mo yun? Kasi katulad sa kanya, lasagna and chocolate cake. For me, it would be cake. Regardless, hindi siya
Or
specific.
bread,
Okay.
bread
Yes.
or cake.
Bread or cake na parang kapag kinakain ko yun, parang nandoon ulit ako sa kusina namin.
Yeah.
Kasama ko yung family ko. Maybe, yung ganon.
Yeah. Do you remember the lumpia Shanghai na orange na chichirya?
Yes. Yung lumpia
Oo,
Shanghai.
yun.
Oo, yun.
And that was my first winning product as a business owner.
Babalik pa rin talaga. Okay.
Kasi nangyari nito, I really love it.
Okay.
Kasi sa sari-sari store, piso siya.
Yes.
Parang apat siya dati. Tatlo na nga.
Ngayon,
Hindi ko
dalawa
alam.
na lang.
Dalawa na lang.
Oo.
Isa na lang. Dati apat yun. So I really like it. And then nangyari, I remember summer, I think I was like grade 3 pa siguro at this time. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Sabi ko, parang yung frustration ko, sabi ko, bakit wala to sa school? No? So, summer yun, nung bumalik ako sa school, sabi ko, nagdala ako ng 3 pieces. Tapos, binenta ko sa classmate ko. Sabi ko, uy, baka
Magkano?
gusto mo. 5 pesos.
400%.
Negosyante.
So, sabi ko, tag-piso yung isa, tubo ko, so 5. Yung, so, yun, naubos. So, the next, nagdala ako ng isang pack, naubos. Sa next, isang bag, ubos. 2 bag, ubos. So,
Wow.
nangyari, sold
Nagtayo
out
ka na.
talaga.
So, wait.
Nagtayo talaga ako ng sari-sari store. Totoo.
Wait, nagtataka ako. Bakit yung mga klase mo, they don't know yung food na
Okay.
yun?
Ayaw mo nang bumili sa labas.
Ha?
Siyempre,
Okay,
tatamarin
context.
ka.
Context.
Private school siya. So,
Okay.
my mom waited for me for 8 years. And then, matipid. So, of course, they want the best for me, only child. So, i-enroll na natin siya sa mahal na school.
I see.
So,
okay,
so walang sari-sari store sa paligid.
Mga exclusive.
Oo.
Oo.
So,
Okay.
mga mayayaman to, ganun.
Oo,
So,
oo.
di ko nga alam if they even know that eh. So,
Yes. Alam lang nila maalat. Diba? Kasi
So,
yun yung
Alam nila
sarap eh.
masarap.
so yun yung ano. And looking back right now, no, I feel para kung na-hurt, parang I felt the love of my parents because at that time, I would say na I was one of the poor people in the class.
Oo.
No?
Yes.
Parang looking back, parang I asked my mom like how much is my my tuition fee.
Yes.
And then I asked magkano yung sweldo niya. It was like 80% of what they're making. It went to my education. So like, wow, like
Doon mo siya na-appreciate.
yeah, doon ko na mas na-appreciate. Even not just the financial, but you can see the my mom kasi attends whatever occasion I have. Even to the stuff na for me it's not that important, for her it's so important. So yun yung ano.
Yeah, super si
Super
mommy talaga.
supportive.
Super mahal na mahal siya. That's why Fibo is firstborn. So naglolokohan kami. So kung nagkaroon ng second na anak, Sebo. Kasi second born. Totoo nga. Di ba?
Parang
During the
third.
wedding, Tebo. Oh, sige. Another question for you, Fibo. Ang inspiring, no? Alam mo, talagang nare-reveal talaga right now na the Fibo that we are seeing right now hasn't really changed. Kasi ganun ka pa rin even nung bata ka. So ngayon, sabi mo, ito yung ito yung crush mo, ito yung first love mo sa personal development. Tinanong ko to dun sa last guest natin. So, kunwari, Fibo, money is not an issue.
Okay.
Tapos, iano ko sa'yo, iba-bank transfer ko sa'yo, whatever it is na kailangan mo.
Okay.
Who is that one person in your journey right now, that you wanna meet and want to have a private dinner with? As in, hindi mo kailangan wag mong isipin na 1,000 at 1 million na halaga ng food, parehong kakainin at makakabusog lang yan. As in, ganun siya. Ganung level.
Sabi mo, habang nag-iisip siya sa bagay, no? Na-meet niya na si Peng Joon.
Oo.
Na-meet niya na si Alex Hermosi.
Si Robert
Sino
Kiyosaki.
pa? Robert
na-meet na
Kiyosaki.
niya. Gary Vaynerchuk.
Gary Vaynerchuk.
Si Matthew Hassi.
Sino pa?
Meron pa ba?
I think it's gonna be dead or alive. Either.
Alive.
Alive.
Parang
Nagbago yung sagot ko.
Saglit. Fibo, paano ko bubungkali kahit na ang dami-dami kong pera at kaya kitang pakainin?
Bigyan natin siya ng chance. Kunyari, buhay pa yung tao na
Buhay
yun.
pa.
Sino?
Ay, hindi, 2 questions na
Sige,
lang.
2 questions.
Okay.
So, doon muna tayo sa patay na. Sige,
Okay.
kumbaga, magta-time travel tayo.
Okay.
Ayan. So, sino tong tao na to?
I think it's gonna be Napoleon Hill.
Ayan. Think and grow rich.
'Cause-
Yes.
Sama mo kami. Gusto din
I think it's
namin
because the personal growth, the personal development right now is it started somewhere, and I feel like
Yes.
it's because of him,
Yeah.
you know, just publishing the
Proponent
book.
talaga siya.
And
Yeah.
if you notice, the Think and Grow Rich book isn't really his thoughts. He just gathered
Compilation lang
just
siya.
a compilation.
Yeah, yeah.
So just imagine that courage of
Yeah.
like,
And also, so genius.
Yeah.
Na parang, di ba kasi as an author, minsan iniisip natin, the idea has to come from this.
Yeah.
So, pero what he did at that time is that yun nga, he just compiled
Yeah.
the stories and experiences of other successful
Yeah.
multimillionaire people and then compiled it together.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. So
So,
ngayon, dun
yung
tayo sa
buhay.
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 So, sino yung gusto mong sayang naman yung perang ipapadala ko sa'yo na. Kung patay yung papakainin natin. Who would that be? Is there another, like, for example, siguro, Tony Robbins? Is that possible?
Na-meet mo na, di ba?
In
Hindi naman
person?
meet na,
Sa
hindi naman
stage
meet,
siya.
ay, hindi naman
Oo,
ganun.
na-attend lang
Nakita
sa
lang.
UPW.
So,
CG.
pwede.
Sa Sydney,
Pwede.
Sydney.
If you want to meet him in person, like, have...
It's okay.
I'm good. Sino pa ba? Sige, ganito na lang. Not necessarily na related to the personal development world.
No, I
Lawakan
have a person in mind. My question is, because so the question is, someone na I haven't really talked to yet.
Yes. Kasi you wanna
Okay,
have this
okay.
dinner with this person, enjoy that moment, but at the same time, pick his or her mind.
Okay.
Wag mo na sabihin ako. Pwede naman tayo mag-dinner na hindi tayo gagastos. Sino ba yung mga popular ngayon sa mundo na?
Elon Musk.
Dr. Joe Dispenza, Elon Musk,
Elon
Simon
Musk,
Sinek,
Simon
Robin
Sinek,
Sharma.
Yes.
Ayan, sino pa? Sa babae, Oprah.
James Clear ba?
James Clear, yeah. 'Di ba? Sino nga si Limitless? Yun nasa Jim Quick. Yeah,
Si
Jim
Jim
Quick is very
Kwik.
popular din right now.
Si Don Martel. Don Martel, yeah.
Oo, sobrang mahal yung mga yan.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Naku, mapapagastos tayo. Iba yung gusto mo?
Yung mga
Gusto
ganyan,
namin
dami
dalhin.
na. Gusto mo lahat na?
Gusto mo dalhin namin dito?
Sino?
So yeah, I think it's gonna be T. Harv.
Ang layo. Ang layo ng
Ang layo ng
tinakbo
suggestion nyo.
TR because of
T. Harv.
MMI.
Yeah, because I mean, I wanna produce stuff like MMI.
Yes.
And seeing it
nag-Manny
run.
and Yuka kasi.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
But seeing it run without him,
Okay.
I think it's really a dream. I want my programs to run even if I'm no longer here. Like that's really something.
Yes, yes.
It's amazing lang kasi there's a lot of people, speakers, trainers, but usually if they die, their thing dies. The only thing that
Yes.
lives on is the books, right?
Yes.
Which is the legacy.
Yes.
But having the programs, it's like you need the manpower, you need the process, you need,
Yes.
you know, parang ganun. So,
And he has created the system na even without him,
Yun na nga eh.
nag-grow
Oo,
talaga
oo,
siya.
oo.
Yun ang,
Siya talaga yung literal na never work again.
Yeah.
I work. Diba? Sa kanya,
Yeah.
siya talaga
At saka
yung in-embody niya
walk
yun.
the talk.
Oo, in-embody niya na I work because I want to, not
Correct.
because I need to.
yes.
Diba? So maganda yun. Ang layo
Yeah.
na narating natin dyan. Diyos ko, dami natin pangalang binigay. Sige, another question. Going back to the slam book millionaire natin.
Doon tayo sa medyo,
I know.
what is love? O,
Yan.
ganun.
Parang na tayo na iniisip. Oh, how do you define love before, when you were younger, to right now, na fibolim ka na ngayon? Meron bang difference? Kasi,
Or married
eto,
na siya ngayon.
just
or
to give
father
you a
na siya ngayon.
context, nung sa slam book kasi, the usual answers, the usual answers
Love
ng
is
mga
blind.
kabataan is, love is blind, love
Love
is
is-
gold,
love
love
is
is God, love
love
is
is
like a rosary
rosary.
full of mystery. Yan. Yan yung mga typical. Kasi syempre, yung mga kabataan, di naman natin alam ano ba yung mga meron dyan sa lab. Tsaka walang
Yeah.
Google noon.
Ano naman, alam mo nung bata ka, di ba?
Oo.
So, kopya-kopya na lang.
Mm-mm.
I think yung bata ako is just a feeling. So I define love as a feeling. So I
feeling.
feel something, it's
Love.
kinda like love.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
So
But right now,
it's, I don't know, it's a choice.
Love is a choice. Totoo naman.
So honestly, till today, I can't even define what it
love
is.
yeah.
But how I'm just defining it right now is it's a choice. I don't know.
Yeah, totoo.
That's the only thing I can answer.
I totally
Makes
agree.
sense, makes
Yeah,
sense,
Love is
yes.
an action word, love is a choice.
totoo.
Yes. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Fibo, anything na pwede mong ma-share sa amin ng kabataan mo na sobrang embarrassing?
Embarrassing?
Oo, embarrassing. Ganyan. Nadapa
Okay.
ka sa harap ng
Okay.
crush mo.
May question ako before that.
Binalik yung
may
question.
ano ba? May embarrassing moment ba
Oo.
na malaki na ako? Wala. Or bata lang tayo?
Pwede naman ngayon kung wala nung bata ka.
Okay, kung bata ako, I can't think. Pero I
Ngayon?
can think of.
Ngayon, meron.
Nung malaki na ako, meron. Pero
Are
embarrassing
you
siya.
willing to share, ano?
No,
Not
no.
willing to share?
I'm willing to share.
Okay.
But you're gonna
Sige.
laugh.
Gusto
You're gonna
namin
laugh.
yun.
I mean, this is crazy.
Try
Sige,
us.
game.
But I don't care. Because,
Sige, game.
okay. So the embarrassing part is this. Okay? So, and this was before, okay. So the embarrassing is, me and Giselle, okay? Okay, I don't want to filter words, so it looks, it's
No
more
filter
raw.
tayo. Go.
Sige, no filter.
Okay.
Total mga audience naman natin
Okay.
nasa self-development din.
Yeah.
So, me and Giselle are having sex. And then,
And then,
after the sex,
okay.
is we saw her phone that she called someone. So like there's like a number that was listening to the entire
Oh my God!
process. Okay.
Hindi na ibaba.
Hindi niya binaba nung
Yeah. So we don't know. Okay, we don't know what happened. Okay. But the good thing is hindi namin friend, di namin kilala.
Okay.
So what happened is sabi hello, tapos nag-hello din siya. Like, oh shit, like
So, hindi rin niya binababa the whole
no,
time.
yeah, so we only binaba lang namin. So that's embarrassing kasi I was just thinking, what if it was my mom who we called? You know?
na sobrang excitement, nakalimutan. Meron pala ako kausap kanina.
Hindi. Feeling ko ang nangyari doon, ano siya, spur of the moment. Hindi plinano, basta na-feel lang. Diba?
Ayun, tapos,
Pero hindi niya trinay na
Oh.
i-track kung sino yung number.
hindi namin. I think we blocked that person. Hopefully, we'll never see that person.
Parang kayo po yung narinig ko. Ganun.
I can't forget that. So,
I think nobody could forget such an experience, Fibo. Grabe yun. Ano sabi ni Giselle?
wala, we just got
Tawa lang
embarrassed
ng tawa.
and,
Pero tinawanan ninyo after.
yeah, and here's the thing. Every time we plan to have it, we check our phones, okay? Make sure.
Walang nakalock. Buti hindi video call.
Diba?
Video call yun.
Oh my gosh.
Merong sex scandal.
Oo nga. But imaginein mo kung ang na-dial sa messenger.
Oo nga.
It's
Dami
either
naman
friend
yung
mo
ano,
or follower mo yun.
Yung sa receive. Ba't hindi mo nang binaba, di ba?
Wala. Gusto na din,
Interesado na
gusto lang din makinig. Another question for you. Do you have any pet peeve?
My pet peeve is small noises.
Ano na?
Small noises.
Small noises.
Yeah, for example.
It irritates you.
It irritates me.
Mm-mm.
Like, for example, let's just say my electric fan.
Oo.
Tapos, let's say, my screw dun, di ba? That
Yes.
Ano yung
moves.
gumaganyan?
Oh, man. That
Yung
I have
loosen.
to, like, make sure.
OC ka. No, OC ka.
Yeah.
Okay.
What else?
Ano
yeah,
ba siya?
just very small
Nadidistract ka
noise.
kasi kaagad.
I usually
And
get
then,
distracted.
nahirapan ka nang bumalik?
Yes. And I can't focus back if hindi ma-fix yun.
Mm-mm.
So, may sometimes like our electric fan, matutulog kami. And then I can really hear like the screw, which Giselle can't hear, only I can hear. So I stand up, I like balance it. Kasi wala akong screwdriver. Like, the only way is like, make sure hindi siya mag-move.
Yes, yes.
So, sabi niya, grabe no, parang ano.
As an OC person din yata yun.
Oo.
No?
But I'm just wondering, na-try mo ba yung may mga guys kayo sa isang room, tapos may nagsusnore, that's okay with you?
Yes, kasi I think I grew up with my dad.
Hearing the snore.
Hearing the snore. But, ngayon, yun nga, parang since wala na yung, I'm not staying with my dad, I can't sleep with his snore na ulit.
Yes.
So,
Kumbaga,
but I grew up.
nag-change na kasi. No?
Yeah.
Ano nga yung madalas mo tinatanong, girl? Yung sabi mo, yung parang, is there one thing na weird?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weird fact about you. I know, may mga sinabi kanina, meron pa rin bang something weird about you? Context, for example, we have a friend na he cannot sleep pag walang kulambo
As
sa
in,
paa
alam
niya.
mo ba, mag-sleep over na kami ha.
Yeah.
Magkakasama na kami. Pero bigla siya talagang uuwi kasi walang
Yeah.
kulambo.
Yes.
Ganon,
Another
ganon.
is, hindi makakatulog pag hindi niya akap-akap yung favorite pillow niya.
Pillow from the baby pa.
Yes,
nung
nung
bata pa
kabataan
Oo.
siya. So may
ganun ka
may
ba?
ganun ka ba?
Kayo ba? Meron ba kayo?
Oo.
Anong kayo? Anong sa'yo?
Meron.
Teka lang, kami yung
Iniisip ko muna.
nagtatanong.
Iniisip ko muna.
Ikaw ba?
Kanya.
Sige, ikaw ano ka?
Ano ba?
Weird fact. Ano ba sa'yo?
Hindi ko maisip eh. Wala naman ako yung kulambo. Yung kabataan namin, syempre yung, alam mo yun, di ba,
Nagsasak. Oo.
Yon, yung kumot. Kumot ako, ganon. Yung sa kapatid ko, yung punda. Alam mo yung punda? Yung, cover ng pillow.
Yes.
Yun naman sa kanya. May kanya-kanya kaming talent.
Ayun, buti na lang sinabi mo. Ako yung weird ko, yung dulo ng unan, ipapasok ko sa daliri ko bago ako matulog.
Really?
Alam mo yung, kunwari, ito.
Really?
Igaganyan ko siya.
Really?
Gano'n nakahaba yung kuko mo,
Oo.
bata ka pa lang?
Hindi, as in,
Till
kasi
now?
kahit
No
maiksi
na.
siya. Even until now.
Really?
Yeah. Tapos ano ko lang siya, medyo manonotice ko na lang siya. Kasi ano na siya, kumbaga parang naging normal na ba?
Yeah.
Manonotice ko na lang na ginagawa ko siya kasi masakit na.
Yeah.
Kumbaga parang
Really?
nag-ano na siya, yung nag-rub na
Yeah.
sa skin. Pero gustong-gusto ko siya, ito, kahit yung dulo ng damit, sisimplihan ko siya, gaganyan ako. Yan, lalo na pag nasa bahay, I don't know.
Interesting.
May kilala ko, yung kanin niya, nilalagyan niya ng juice.
Oh.
May ganyan-ganyan, weird fact about it. Ikaw ba, may ganun ka ba? Or,
I just remember before, like, kanin, Milo with rice, sabaw
Ay, yung mga
with
normal
rice,
yata yun
milk
eh.
with rice.
normal yun.
Oo,
Ginagawa,
oo, oo.
ginagawa din namin yun.
I don't know, yung weird, hindi siya weird for me. Hindi siya weird for generally, but I need the hot dog. I need some sort of a hot dog to sleep. Like the hot dog pillow.
Sa
Ah,
unan
okay,
din.
okay.
Even until now.
Yeah, even till now.
Okay.
So what happens, for example, let's say sa Unmessable,
Oo
I had
nga.
to bring the long.
Oh!
So parang, ganun
I
din.
have to bring
yeah,
it.
that's a weird.
So-
That's a
Yes.
weird thing.
So, what about you when you travel?
So when I travel, I really order pillows and then it doesn't have to be the exact
Yeah.
basta
Basta
meron
pahaba.
akong pahaba na.
Okay.
Yeah,
So when
so-
you sleep, dun ka nakayakap sa hotdog mo.
Yes, or I move it.
Pwede naman human form, si Giselle na lang.
Iba kasi, no? Iba yung feeling kasi kapag human versus the pillow talaga.
Yeah.
It gives you
Yeah.
additional comfort.
At
eh.
diba, may nalaman tayo something kay Fibo.
Oo, diba?
May hotdog. So, marami ng regalong hotdog.
Yeah.
Pillow sa'yo.
Question for you. Last question na for you. Grabe ang haba ng
Oo
ang
nga.
haba na ng time. Ang dami na nating nalaman. Pero bitin na bitin pa rin ako. Ang dami
As
ko pang-
always.
Ang dami ko pang gustong malaman. Siguro one thing na lang, Fibo, na para sa'yo, what is the next adventure that you want to do? Like, parang halimbawa kami, ako talaga, sabi ko sa kanya nung nag-Dubai kami, girl na sabi ko, mag-ano tayo? Skydive.
Skydive.
Yan.
It's part of my bucket
Oo,
list
talaga
also.
sabi ko, babalik tayo dito sa Dubai, kailangan mag-skydive tayo. Yung ganon.
Wait lang, bakit di ka nag-skydive? Kulang sa time?
Kulang sa
or-
time. We only have 6 days there and umattend kami ng program ni Coach Raz kasi
Yeah.
may scholars kami na pina-attend,
Yeah.
na inano namin. Tapos may mga minute kami ng mga Pinoys.
Yeah.
And then, shopping.
So, important pala yung shopping.
Naubos yung time
Kasi parang at
kaka-shopping.
least we have reason to come back again.
Yes.
Diba?
So, hindi talaga kinaya yung Sky. At saka sabi nila daw pala, you have to schedule it.
Yeah. yeah.
Hindi siya yung, gusto ko bukas, ganon.
Yeah.
Hindi pala yun.
Pag sinabi mo adventure, does it have to be out of business or no?
Sige, dalawa. Bigyan ka namin ng chance.
Okay.
Lagi tayong nagdadalawa.
Yung isa, related sa
Okay.
business. Yung
The
isa,
other one is just
Yeah.
for fun.
Yes.
Okay.
Oo.
Thank you. So out of business is, I think skydive is,
okay. Sabay-sabay na lang tayo.
I wanna feel
Sasama ka na
how
sa
to
Dubai.
almost die, you know?
Sasama
Parang
ka na.
like,
Parang ang saya eh.
Eh, di gawin mo yung bungee jumping. Mas nakakatakot yun eh.
so, yeah, I wanna experience stuff that are safe, but very looks
Alin?
risky.
Yeah.
Stuff that are safe but looks risky.
Okay.
You know, like skydive or like
Bungee
swimming with the
jumping.
sharks, great white sharks,
Yes,
something
Swimming
like
Sa
that.
sa
Maldives.
ice,
Or,
ano ba yung tawag?
I don't know.
Iceland, gano'n.
Yeah, things like
Gusto mo
that.
yan?
I wanna
Oo, oo,
extreme
oo.
activities. Sa business, for me kasi, that's why I was asking. Kasi, business is like a hobby for me, and scaling international, doing event outside is high risk for me, and para siyang
Accelerating.
it's kind of like I'm gambling.
Yeah.
So like I'm so nervous, will this
Yes.
work? Things like that. So it has a similar feeling
Yes.
as like skydiving.
Yes, yes.
So,
Dopamine nga raw niya.
Yeah.
Oh, grabe.
so yun.
Alam mo, I think this is the first time and first interview so far natin dito sa Slumbook Millionaire that we actually talk to somebody na business ang hobby. Kasi like for us, we do business because we love it, but at the same time, because it's a source of income, 'di ba? And then we want to to provide value to others. We believe in the product that we have. Pero first time kong narinig, business is a hobby. It's like a hobby for me that it kicks my dopamine.
Which somehow, pag titingnan mo maganda siya. Kasi it's fun for you.
Yes.
Diba? When you do things for fun,
Yes.
nandun yung excitement. You're always excited to wake up kasi
Yes.
gagawin mo to kasi it's my playground.
So, pag tinanong natin si Fibo, para saan ka gumigising? Business. Yun yung magiging sagot ni Fibo sa atin. Pero that is so amazing. And nakakatuwa. I think yun nasabi mo kanina when we were starting with our first question, na sabi mo yung na-pick up mo kay Bo,
Yeah.
na you wanna do things na not as work, but you just want to do it. I
Yeah.
think you already achieved that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Na nandito ka na sa stage in your life that you considered already business as a hobby.
Yeah.
And that is on a different level. So I think yun yung next step sa atin, Jev.
Yeah.
No?
Parang this is exciting for me, gagawin ko to. Pero may cases ka ba na, okay, parang hindi na siya exciting, I will move to the next one? Is it something like that? Hindi naman.
Yes, kasi not all businesses is also exciting for me. Like that's why I really feel na doing trainings is the one super
Yes.
exciting for me. Kasi I did start a lot of businesses, pero
Correct.
excited lang ako sa simula, and then eventually I question myself, why am I doing this again? So like to make money, but wala, hindi siya
Yeah,
so
makes sense.
I feel like it's more of business pa rin, pero I should not move out in the context of doing trainings.
Correct.
Training because do you love people or you just...
No,
Yeah.
I just love teaching.
Ah,
I love
yeah, yeah.
teaching, I love transforming, I love people like oh, you changed my life. Like
Yes.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But even assuming if they don't like it, but the fact na I shared is so fulfilling.
Yes.
My end.
He's just generous that way.
Yes.
Gusto lang niya mag-share ng knowledge niya.
Yes. So, do you have any last question for Fibo before we close our episode na sana, next time, meron na lang tayong 2 hours. Para makalkal natin ang hustang
Okay.
Slumbook.
My last question for me, do you have a message for our viewers or listeners right now? And also to yourself, ano yung gusto mong message? Sasabihin mo.
Ako gusto ko ibahin, okay,
Okay.
lang. Permission
Okay.
granted. Kasi Fibo, sobrang daming taong naglo-look up sa'yo. Di ba, lagi natin naririnig yung how to be like you. Yan. So, ang tanong ko sa'yo, Fibo, what would be your message to the people na they're hoping to be like you?
Can I? Sige. I wanna.
Lagi may negotiation.
I wanna answer it like as if I have one advice left to my daughter.
Yes.
Ah, okay,
gusto ko
okay.
yun.
Go.
Sige.
So I really pondered, like what's the best? What can I leave for her? Like some people, like we should have this rental income so we can leave something or have this amount and all of that. Pero I already told Giselle na we're not gonna tell our daughter that we're gonna leave anything. So,
Yes.
I mean, like any money or anything. So, there's no guarantees. We'll see. But, sabi ko, the one thing I can only leave my daughter is find one thing that you love and you're really good at and do it for a long time. Like, it's impossible for you na the world will not pay you. Or the world will, parang, because I was like analyzing, like some people are not business owners, but they're really good at one thing. Like really good at one thing.
Yes.
It can be magic. It can be some weird thing.
Comedy.
You know,
Right?
comedy. And sabi ko, like, if you look at it, it's like they're busy. It's like, it seems like they have a job. Okay? But again, it's a hobby for them. Like, they enjoy doing it.
Yes.
But most of all, parang iniisip ko, how did, let's say, Jokoy become Jokoy?
Yes.
How did David Blaine become David Blaine? How did Neo become Neo? Like,
Yes.
how did all of them become like that? And I think, how did Kobe become Kobe? How did Michael Jordan become Michael Jordan? And there's only one thing that I see the pattern. No? They enjoy what they're doing, they're good at it, and they're so obsessed.
Yes.
And then because of that obsession, it's hard for people to catch up.
Yes.
And you become so good that the world will pay you.
Yeah, no matter the amount.
Yeah, no matter the amount. I mean, you it doesn't mean you're gonna become a billionaire, but you're gonna have enough for you to live and be happy and live life talaga like
To the
how everyone
fullest,
deserves.
Yeah, meaningful, diba? Purposeful.
Mind-blowing.
Yes,
I
ang
like
ganda.
that.
Yeah.
Salamat, Fibo. And to all the viewers, sure ako na ang dami niyong na-pick up from all this conversation with Fibo. Maraming salamat,
Thank you
Fibo.
so
Thank
much,
you.
Fibo.
Nag-enjoy
Grabe.
kami sobra. First time natin na may guest na hindi alam ang slam book. Hindi na-experience ang slam book. So lahat ng mga childhood questions natin sobrang bago para sa kanya. And we hope na gawa po namin ang pre-promise namin sa inyo na ipaprovide namin ang different side, a different
the raw
view,
side
yes,
of
being
Fibo Lim.
Fibo Lim. So
And-
we hope you enjoy that. And of course,
And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors for always being there for us, for supporting us. Pillow Bread PH, Pillow Beds PH of Clara de Herrera. Hello. And of course, our very own Loris Enterprises. The best.
The best. The one and only. The biggest.
Yeah, the biggest.
The number one event organizer.
Yes.
Not only in the Philippines,
Yes,
but
to
in the whole
provide
world.
personal development trainings
Yes.
here in the Philippines and also
Globally, yes.
And of course, I Am Fantabulous t-shirt, affirmation shirts,
Yes.
and the best barbecue in town, Smoke Club Barbecue. So thank you so much.
Yes. At sa inyo po, maraming salamat for spending your quality time with us. At salamat po that you allowed us to share this moment with you. This is Lambok Journey of Fibo Lim. So, we look forward to seeing you to the next episode. But for now, bye po muna!
Bye!